They told you oatmeal was the healthiest breakfast. But what if that bowl is quietly stealing your muscles every morning? After 40, this mistake accelerates aging, and almost no one sees it coming. Welcome to Wellness Unfoldser, where we challenge conventional wisdom to optimize your health and transform your daily nutrition habits forever now. We are often told that oatmeal is the heart-healthy champion of breakfast, but this advice might be destroying you. Forget oatmeal for a moment and listen closely, because what you eat first thing in the morning dictates your longevity. While oats are certainly good for digestion, they lack the critical building blocks required to protect your muscles from age. Today, we dive deep into the science of sarcopenia and reveal the ultimate breakfast strategy to build a stronger body. Many people believe they are eating healthy, yet they feel weaker and softer every single year, despite their best efforts. The hidden culprit is often a breakfast that spikes your insulin but fails to provide the structural support your body. Let us uncover why your favorite morning bowl might be the reason you are losing the battle against natural muscle loss. Sarcopenia is the medical term for the involuntary loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength that occurs as we age. After the age of 40, your body enters a silent crisis where you lose significant muscle mass every single decade. Studies show that without active intervention, you lose approximately 3 to 5% of your muscle tissue every 10 years. This loss is not just about looking good in the mirror. It is about maintaining your independence and functional mobility. Muscle is your metabolic engine, and when you lose muscle, your metabolism slows down, making fat gain almost inevitable. This explains why many people suddenly develop stubborn belly fat in their 40s, even though their diet has not changed. Furthermore, less muscle means your body becomes less efficient at processing glucose, significantly increasing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Ignoring this decline is dangerous, and the first line of defense against this condition is your morning nutritional strategy. This brings us back to the oatmeal dilemma. A food that is healthy in isolation, but insufficient for muscle preservation. A typical bowl of oatmeal provides mostly carbohydrates and fiber, which are great for energy, but do nothing for repair. An average serving of oatmeal contains only about 5 grams of protein, which is drastically lower than what you actually need. Your muscles are effectively starving for amino acids after a long night of sleep, and oatmeal fails to feed them. Morning is the most critical window because your body has been fasting for 8 hours and is in a catabolic state. To switch your body from breaking down muscle to building it, you need to trigger a process called muscle protein synthesis. Scientific consensus indicates that you need a minimum of 20 to 30 grams of high-quality protein to activate this switch. Relying on plain oatmeal means you are missing this threshold completely, leaving your muscles in a state of decay all morning. The magic ingredient missing from oats is leucine, the essential amino acid that acts as the ignition key for muscle growth. Without sufficient protein and leucine, you are merely filling your stomach temporarily without providing the signals to repair your aging. So if oatmeal is not the answer for muscle preservation, what should you be putting on your breakfast plate every day? We need to pivot towards nutrient-dense foods that provide a complete amino acid profile to protect your lean body mass. The first and most powerful contender is the humble egg, often referred to by nutritionists as nature's original superfood. Eggs are incredibly rich in leucine, making them the most efficient food for triggering that crucial muscle repair signal immediately. Do not throw away the yolk, as it contains valuable vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids essential for hormonal health. Eating 3 whole eggs gives you nearly 20 grams of top-tier protein, getting you very close to your anabolic threshold. This simple switch ensures your body has the raw materials it needs to repair the wear and tear of daily life. If you prefer a cold breakfast or dislike cooking, Greek yogurt is an absolute powerhouse that puts regular yogurt to shame. Greek yogurt is strained to remove whey, resulting in a product that has double the protein concentration of traditional yogurts. A single cup can provide up to 20 grams of protein, making it one of the most convenient muscle foods available. Another underappreciated hero is cottage cheese, which is incredibly dense in casein protein, providing a slow release of amino acids. Both of these dairy options require 0 cooking time, eliminating the excuse that you are too busy to eat plenty of protein. For those who literally have to run out the door, a high-quality protein shake is a valid and effective strategy. You choose whey for its rapid absorption or a plant-based blend. The goal is to secure that protein intake immediately. Liquid solution guarantees you hit your 30-gram target without needing to sit down for a traditional meal. Does this mean you must banish oatmeal from your life forever? Absolutely not, but you must upgrade how you eat it. You can easily fortify your oats by stirring in a scoop of protein powder, instantly transforming it into a muscle-building meal. Alternatively, mix in a generous serving of Greek yogurt to add creaminess and boost the protein count significantly without using powders. Or simply treat oatmeal as a side dish rather than the main event, eating it alongside eggs to cover your nutritional bases. This combination gives you the fiber and energy from the oats, while ensuring your muscles get the amino acids they desperately need. By making these adjustments, you are actively fighting back against sarcopenia and investing in a stronger, more resilient future body. Adopt the golden rule of protein first. Always prioritize eating your protein source before touching the carbohydrates on your plate. This simple habit improves satiety, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and ensures you never fill up on carbs before meeting protein needs. Whether it is eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a protein shake, the method matters less than the consistency of execution. Your body has the amazing ability to rebuild itself at any age, provided you give it the right tools every morning. Start tomorrow with a new strategy. Prioritize your protein and watch how your energy and strength transform in a few weeks. Do not let age dictate your strength. Take control of your biology with every single bite you take. The difference between frailty and vitality often comes down to these daily decisions that compound over months and years. Think of protein not just as food for bodybuilders, but as the essential armor that protects your body against the aging process. Next time you are at the grocery store, fill your cart with these muscle-building allies and leave the instant oats behind. Cooking a real breakfast takes only a few minutes more than microwaving oats, but the return on investment is absolutely priceless. You have the power to slow down the clock and maintain a physique that serves you well into your later years. Medical science is clear on this issue. Muscle is the organ of longevity, and protein is the fuel that keeps it alive. Take these insights and apply them to your routine starting today, because your future self is depending on your actions now. Remember the options: eggs for leucine, yogurt for density, cottage cheese for casein, or shakes for speed and convenience. It is never too late to start preserving the muscle you have and even building back what you might have already lost. A strong muscular system supports your heart, your bones, and your metabolic health in ways that oatmeal alone simply cannot achieve. Respect grains for what they are: a source of energy, but not the foundation of a muscle-centric diet plan. Your kitchen is your pharmacy, and the right food choices are the most powerful medicine you can prescribe for yourself daily. Enjoy your new breakfast routine and the feeling of fullness and energy that comes with properly nourishing your body. Aim for that 30-gram target every single morning, and you will feel the difference in your focus and strength. Of people who are taking charge of their aging process by prioritizing nutrition based on human physiology. I would learn which of these high-protein breakfast options you are planning to try first this coming week. Please leave a comment below sharing your experience, and do not forget to like this video if you found it helpful. To learn more about nutrition secrets that can extend your lifespan, check out the other videos on our channel. Thank you for investing your time with us today to learn about how to build a stronger and healthier version of yourself. Make the right choice tomorrow morning, prioritize your protein, and set the tone for a successful and energetic day ahead. Your health is your greatest wealth, so protect it fiercely with knowledge and consistency in your daily nutritional habits. This unfolds are helping you navigate the complex world of nutrition. Stay strong and see you in the next video.